Install Ducati Scrambler, engine slider without hammering. Use jack to support engine, raising a little bit, enough to relieve some weight on the engine support rod. 8mm hex key. To loosen the support rod, use a box wrench just for leverage.
I'm gonna be using the
Now
new
this
shaft
is the part I can't do.
and tapping it gently with a rubber mallet.
So what do we do? Align the support rod to the center of the hole. How? Now this is how easy to push the rod without hammering. All that is left is installing the engine slider. Mine has a 19mm nut. Using 19mm socket wrench. Tighten at 60 Nm. Remove jack. Savor the outcome.